Alright, I just received my brand new gaming chair. As you can tell that I am starting to stream. I have my setup here and I need a nice chair to do it with. It has adjustable armrest, which is nice. It has lumbar and a back pillow. It also has a massager if you want to plug it in. I don't plan on using that because I don't want to fall asleep. And also the button here brings it up and goes down. We have, if you want to recline, you have a recliner right here. You bring it out. You can pull it out, and if you wanted to watch a movie on your computer, there you go. It's very comfortable. I highly recommend this bad boy.
Okay, so I got this game chair on Amazon and it was really easy to put together by myself. And so it got an extra little cushion there and a cushion up top for your head. Then it's got a recliner, so I've got it reclined a little bit. I'm gonna pull the lever and show you how it goes back to normal. So it does sit straight up. It's got a little thing here for putting your feet up or your legs, and then you can tuck it away up under there. And then it also, this little thing here has a USB cord that can turn on a vibrator, so you can hear it vibrating. And so that's really nice. So if you're working long hours or playing games long hours, you can relax, put your feet up, vibrate, whatever. And so the arms do also click out to the sides, so you can click them around as you want for comfort also, and they go up and down.